Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna discuss about a simple study of chemistry. You can see over here. It's of grade 9 by VP Tyagi. So this is the book of CBSE NCERT for grade 9 chemistry book. So let me open the page. So I'm gonna show you that how many the answer of the whole MCQ and all the stuff over here, whichever is written, like the matter in our surroundings first, and after that all the answers of that chapter number 1, matter in our surroundings of chemistry. Let me show you just a sec. Okay, so first we have this page over here. So okay, if we read the first sentence, let me just zoom a bit. Okay, what answer the following questions in one or two words. Okay, what is a thing which has mass and occupies space called? So as I told in the, if you haven't seen my introduction video, just see it. So the answer is matter. Matter is also is called thing that has mass and occupies space called. Second, in how many states is the matter classified normally? So there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now third, which state of matter has definite shape and definite volume? Okay, so here we know definite shape, definite volume, it's solid. Now in which of these physical states the constituent particles have maximum kinetic energy? So here we know solid has the least kinetic energy and liquid has a bit more kinetic energy than solid, and gas is the most. So gas is the answer. In which of the following substances the constituent particles are held by the strongest intermolecular force? An iron nail, a piece of chalk, a piece of ice. If we smash a piece of chalk, then it's gonna get hard it's gonna break very fast. It's gonna become powder. Piece of ice, it will become fully, it will then get like that. Only the thing over here is an iron nail. So this is the answer. Which state of matter has the smallest interparticle space? Solid. Now it is most compressed, right? It can't be compressed, but it is the most compressed actually. It's not compressed, I'm going to say that it's really near the particles inside there. It's really near, right? Solid, like a book. You can see over here, for example. Name the process in which a solid is converted into liquid. So solid into liquid, melting. Does evaporation of a liquid takes place at a fixed temperature? So it takes place it takes place at any temperature. Now name 2 substances that undergo sublimation. Sublimation, right? Solid to gas, gas to solid, direct, without going to the component of liquid. So camphor and iodine. Now which is more volatile, water or alcohol? So we know alcohol. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. The interparticle forces are the strongest in solid state of matter. It's true. Now liquids are highly compressible. False. Gases are highly compressible. The constituent particles are far away from each other in case of gases. True. Lighter gases diffuse faster than the heavier ones. True. Sodium chloride sublimes on heating. False, as we know. And ice is heavier than water. It's false. Right? Ice is not heavier than water, because at end ice is also water only. And if we take many gallons of water, it's gonna wait. Then we can check. When a liquid starts boiling, the heat supplied is absorbed as latent heat of vaporization of the liquid. It's true. Now, wet laundry dries up faster rate during summers. True. Right? In rainy season, it does not dries up fast. Boiling point of a liquid is a measure of the strength of intermolecular forces between the molecules. It's true. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon, whereas boiling a bulk phenomenon. True. Answer this question in yes or no. Okay. Do solids have Do solids have definite shape as well as volume? Yes. In acetone, BP 50 point more violation than the ethanol, BP 78.8 degree Celsius. Yes, it's true. Can solids be called fluids? No, solid can't be called fluid. Is ice heavier than water? As we saw before, false it was, so here no. Can a heavier gas diffuse downwards and lighter gas upwards? Yes, it can. Is it correct to regard the gaseous state of carbon dioxide as vapor of carbon dioxide? No. Pressure and temperature determine the physical state of matter. Yes. Intermixing of particles of two or more substances on their own is called diffusion. Yes. Are ordinary ice and dry ice chemically same? No. You know, right? Ordinary ice and dry ice will decrease in temperature and increase in pressure liquefy a gas. Yes, it will. Now answer the following questions in brief. So I've written it like shortly so that you guys understand. Let me speak. First, name three states of matter. So you know, as we like read over here, three states are solid, liquid, and gas. Now second, which physical state of matter is the least compressible? As we saw, if gas is the most compressible, now we can see solid. Now arrange the three states of matter in order of increasing interparticle space: solid, then liquid, then gas. Now what is the melting point of ice in Kelvin? 273 K. Is evaporation a surface phenomenon of bulk phenomenon or a bulk phenomenon? Surface phenomenon. Okay. Define sublimation. Process of change of solid to gas direct without passing to the liquid state is known as, like, passing between the liquid state without like passing to the liquid state is known as sublimation. Like I told you before, solid to gas, gas to solid. Now let me go to the next page. Name the temperature at which a liquid state of matter changes into its gaseous state. Boiling point. In evaporation, exothermic or endothermic? Endothermic. Name the process responsible for cooling of water kept in an earthen pot during summers. Evaporation. Why does the rate of evaporation increase with increase in temperature? I have not written it at all. I will give the answer in the description. I'm really sorry for that. Now fill in the blanks. Matter is anything that has mass and space. Now solid is characterized by definite shape and volume, as we read. Matter can change its size by application of temperature and pressure, or both. A solid changes into its liquid state at a definite temperature called melting point. Change of water liquid into a vapor is a physical change. Now particles in a liquid have more kinetic energy than particles in a solid. Freezing point is the temperature at which a liquid changes into its solid state. Evaporation increases with increase in temperature. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon, whereas boiling is a bulk phenomenon. The amount of heat required to change 1 unit mass of liquid into its gaseous state and its boiling point is called latent heat of vaporization. Now match the columns. The change of solid directly into gaseous state without the intervening, as I told you so many times now. Okay, it's sublimation, you know, right? Okay. Intermixing of two different matters on their own. Diffusion. Change of a solid state into its liquid state. It is also known as melting. Change of a liquid into a vapor below its boiling point. We know that it's gonna be like as we put clothes in summer outside, like the wet clothes go like evaporate, the water inside them evaporate very fast. So we are gonna say evaporation here. Now MCQs. Take the correct answer. Which of the following is not the property of solids? So here I have the answer. It is B. Forces of attraction between the particles are minimum. Here there are more three options. I'm gonna read. You can pause the video and read it out. Liquids diffuse slowly as compared to gases because the molecules of liquids move faster. Liquids do not have definite shape. In liquids, the constituent particles are held by the stronger forces as compared to the particles in gases, and the interparticle distance is more in liquids. So the answer is third one. Which of the following changes represents the process of solid? How many times will it come? Okay, let me tell you. Solid into gas. The SI unit of temperature, Kelvin. A bulk phenomenon in which particles from whole liquid change into vapor and stay at definite temperature is called, over here, I've not written the answer of this. I will give in the comment box or in the description, so I'm really sorry for that. Which of the following is not a fluid? Sand. Alcohol, air, water, sand. The state of the matter can be changed by changing temperature, pressure, both. So C. Now let me hit to the next page. Which of the following cannot be considered as a matter? Affection, which is the characteristic of matter. Particles of all types of matter have same kinetic energy. This is not. It's characteristic of matter. During summer, water kept in an earthen pot becomes cool because of the phenomenon of evaporation, diffusion, osmosis, freezing. It's evaporation. A few substances are arranged in increasing order to of force of attraction between their constituent particles. Which of the following represents the correct order of it? So this is the wrong answer. Salt, juice, and air. The answer is oxygen, water, and a piece of iron. Okay, which of the following pairs will not exhibit diffusion? Now, a few substances are arranged in increasing order. So I told you oxygen, water. Now, which of the following pairs are exhibit diffusion? Sugar and salt. Which of the following statements are not true? The molecules of a liquid are arranged in definite regular pattern. Gases can be liquefied by low temperature and high pressure. The boiling point of the deadly either acetone and N-butyl alcohol at 35 degrees Celsius, 56 degrees Celsius, and 118 degrees Celsius, respectively. Which of the following correctly represent the temperature in gas? So as we know, 273 plus the temperature. So 308, 329 K and 391 K. C. Which condition out of the following will increase evaporation in water? So here we can see the first one is increased temperature of water. Which of the following is not a correct statement? Matter is a continuous in nature. So that is the wrong over here. Wrong statement. Which of the following sets of phenomenon around would increase on increasing temperature? So here we can see the answer is evaporation, diffusion, and expansion of gases. So thank you guys for watching. If my voice is like I'm speaking too fast, please just ignore it. You can just slow down the video to 0.75. I'm really sorry. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I really need those as I'm spreading education on YouTube for free. And thanks a lot, and I will discuss the answer to the following questions in the next video I will be like writing it, and then I will be, so please like this video, please. Okay, and thanks for watching. Bye.